Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be sharing our experience staying at the Cancun La Isla Canopy Hotel by Hilton. We decided to book this place since we are not spending much time in the hotel since this was our landing day from USA. Plus we went to Savage Park and checked in around 5 p.m. Therefore we were looking for a reasonable price hotel with a central location. Canopy was perfect for us since it's only 23 minutes away from the airport and it's in the hotel zone and it's right next to the La Isla Mall. Google Maps shows 8 minutes away, but it's right next to it. You can walk, and don't worry, it's very safe to walk around there. In today's video, our footage isn't the best since I'm still learning how to use this new camera, so apologize in advance, but hope this video is helpful for your future travel journey, and if it did, please give us a like and subscribe. Now let's dive in. Earlier we mentioned why we booked Canopy, and in addition we saw the TripAdvisor has a pretty high rating, so that's one of the reasons we decided to book here as well. For the booking, we used the Hilton.com and we booked the Sunset Bayview King room, but Vinny has a diamond status, so he got upgraded to the Sunset Premium View 1 King bedroom. The check-in process was pretty smooth and all the staff members were very friendly. And they do offer a massage if you are looking for this option, since I could not find this from the website. They do offer filtered water in each hallway, so you can get your water from here.
Oh, very cute. Hello. This is a Sunset Bayview King room, and this is the shower area, which looks similar to the North Carolina one. It's fairly clean. And you walk here, there's the area you can wash your hand, face. They do provide a hair dryer here. And they provide a complimentary water bottle. And this is the luggage area you can put an extra blanket. And if you open this, they do have this iron board. Getting into a room, you see the king bed. Big, we're dirty, we're not gonna jump into this. And it's very interesting here. It's a pretty small space, but if you open here, they do have a lock. And they do have your desk here. You can maybe work. Nothing is in here. And the view of this is this. You can see a Ferris wheel here. I think once it gets darker, it will look nicer. I think that's why it's called Sunset View. And they have this chair. And since this room is upgraded, it comes with the amenity of the Nespresso coffee. So this is what you get for extra. In the bar area, they do have a refrigerator. Extra cup for you. And you can fill in water, filter water here. Oops. And I think that's it. So this is Canopy in Cancun La Isla. I think La Isla. Hope this video helps. See ya.
Apologize, I feel like this was my worst room tour I've done in the YouTube, but I'll get better. Anyway, we came upstairs to check out the gym area, and also they have this pool area on the rooftop. You can eat and drink as well. Of course, I'm not gonna work out, but this dude wants to check out this fitness center. Even he's not gonna work out, so we'll show it in case if you guys are really curious and want to work out once you go to Cancun. The gym is fairly small, but it has all the equipment you need. And Canopy and second floor has this area where you can chill and chat with people, or there is a conference room. I was thinking who's gonna come here do a meeting, but maybe if you are planning for any party with your friends, this is a perfect place. You have a whiteboard, you can sit down and meet your friends and talk about we're gonna do this, that, whatever. So I guess that's the thing you can use it for. So jumping to breakfast, Vinny has a status of diamond, so he actually get a breakfast for free and we did not have to pay, and we're gonna tell you if it's worth it or not to buy this. As you can see, it is a buffet style, so you can just grab and eat it. And they do have a section people actually cook an omelet for you as well. They do offer a variety of selection for food, but we think if you need to pay for this, I don't think it's worth it. I would rather just go to other place and eat. The food was not the best, but it's not the worst too. But if I have an option to go out, I would rather go out and pay for something else. For the final thoughts, we think the hotel was great. It was very clean and the bed was super comfortable. We just knocked out and slept. If you're looking for a resort style, this is not a place. We do have an upcoming resort videos for all-inclusive and non-all-inclusive for Tulum and Cancun. Stay tuned for that. And if this video was helpful for you, please give us like or subscribe. We'll see you in next video. Bye bye.